one and all. Today in this video we are going to know about identical twins and fraternal twins. What is the difference between them? Identical twins, they look same as we observed in the first picture. Coming to second picture, they're example for fraternal twins where they look different or unique. Now the common question that arises in our mind is that how do twins occur? During the process of conception or conceiving, a single egg is released by the ovaries and it waits for fertilization. When sperms are released into the woman's vagina and they travel through the cervix, uterus into the fallopian tubes, this is where the sperm fuses with an egg to fertilize it. This fertilized egg then travels down into the uterus where it embeds itself, that is called implantation, into the uterine wall and begins to grow or develop. Twins can occur in these early stages of fertilization. There are two different types of twins that can form. The first one is fraternal twins. They are also called as dizygotic twins. We observe in this picture the two boys, they share different physical features, means they are unique in physical in their face structures. This is the source from which I taken this photo. You can refer to this or you can go to this website for more photos like this. Here, fraternal twins also called as dizygotic, which means di means two, zygote means the fusion of sperm and egg, means the twins are formed from two zygotes. This type of twin set is the most common. This occurs when the two different eggs are both fertilized by two different sperms and they implant themselves into uterine wall at the same time. They have different amniotic sacs and placenta. Since they are fertilized by two different sperms, they look different or unique. Fraternal twins can be both of the same sex or one male and one female. Identical twins, monozygotic. Mono means single, zygotic means zygote, means the twins are formed from single zygote. How is it possible actually? In these pictures, we observe examples for identical twins where they share same physical features. Identical twins are extremely rare. They form when the single fertilized egg splits in the early pregnancy and develops into two fetuses. The twins may share the same placenta but usually have different amniotic sacs. Since identical twins come from the same sperm and egg, they look same. They're always having same sex, have the same physical features and the same blood type. Here we observe in the first case the two fetuses, they are in two different amniotic sacs but share same placenta. In the next case, that is fraternal twins, the fetuses are in different amniotic sacs and they're having different placenta. This is how the diagrammatic structure goes of in the first case identical twins, in the next one fraternal twins. In the fraternal twins, if we observe, they're having two different placenta, whereas in the identical twins, they share single placenta. Placenta is it nourishes the fetus and it provides essential nutrients to the fetus. And amniotic sac is full of amniotic fluid, which prevents the fetus from the injuries and shocks. Identical twins or monozygotic twins, this is how the process goes. Fertilized egg, it develops into two cell stages and the single zygote, it splits into two, and this is how the implantation takes place in the uterus. Fraternal or dizygotic twins, dizygotic means that the two zygotes, two eggs, fertilized eggs, they develops into two cell stages and then they forms into zygotes, and this is how they implant in the uterine wall. This is how identical twins and fraternal twins grow in the mother's womb. in identical twins share same placenta but having two different amniotic sacs. In the fraternal twins, they are having separate placentas and separate amniotic sacs. This is how identical twins and fraternal twins grow in the mother's womb. Gestation for twins. The normal length for gestation for a single baby is around 40 weeks. However, gestation for twins, either identical or fraternal, is usually around 38 weeks. This short time is due to the increased demands on the mother's body and the inability of the babies to receive all the nutrients they need in the utero. Factors that increase the odds of having twins. Odds means nothing but probability or chances. Now let us know the factors that increase the probability or chances of having twins. The first important factor and the major factor is that age. The woman, mostly women who marries in their 30s and 40s or conceives a child in 30s or 40s, the estrogen level, that is the sex hormone, is in higher levels. That estrogen hormone is in higher levels. That is why the ovaries, they are stimulated to produce more than one egg at a time, that results in either identical twins or fraternal twins. Number of previous pregnancies. When the woman had number of pregnancies earlier, the higher the odds of conceiving twins. Next, heredity. Heredity is nothing but the process of the process of passing genetic factors from parent to offspring or progeny or child. For example, if I conceive, if my mother had fraternal twins or identical twins, I may have chances for conceiving fraternal twins or identical twins. Assisted reproductive techniques. Assisted reproductive techniques. Many procedures rely on stimulating the ovaries with fertility drugs to produce eggs, and often several drugs are released for ovulation, which increases the odds of having twins. At last, twins are thanking you all who are watching and listening to this video. Thank you all for watching and listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.